There's been a couple major updates in the Ruby Franke case. The first one, the court hearing that was scheduled for today for Ruby Franke and Jody Hildebrand has been postponed, and apparently it's due to the copious amounts of information. As you know, Jody Hildebrand's lawyer had filed a motion to have the court date expedited due to life-threatening situation that she apparently experienced. It was granted. So they were supposed to go to court this Thursday, and they got the expedited trial date for today. However, it has now been postponed. Apparently, attorneys filed a motion to have it postponed until October 5th because of the huge amount of information they'd have to go through. You can imagine their disappointment because today was the day Judge John Walton was supposed to discuss whether or not the two women would be allowed out on bail. Ruby Franke's lawyer made a statement after saying, "My client is incarcerated and that looks like it's going to continue for the foreseeable future." Ruby Franke and Jody Hildebrand, of course, are both being charged with 6 counts of aggravated child abuse after Ruby's son, Russell, escaped from Jody Hildebrand's home. The second update today was that Kevin Franke and, of course, Ruby Franke were in court today. It was over a custody battle for their 4 youngest children. The Franke's oldest daughter, Sherry Franke, was also in attendance at the hearing today. Virginia Blanchard, who is representing the children in this case, filed a motion to have the case sealed. The judge said today they would only speak about procedural issues and scheduling because of the motion that's pending. The children's representative said she wants this sealed as it is such a big case right now and it's such a sensitive situation when it comes to children. The judge spoke directly to Sherry Franke, who was in court today, and asked her to file a motion as the judge wants to hear her point of view, as even Sherry Franke would be banned from the courtroom if this does get sealed. Randy Kester, who is Kevin Franke's lawyer, said that he's going to be filing something on behalf of Kevin Franke, basically regarding his client's ability to talk about the case and not mention what happens in court if it is going to be a closed session. It was confirmed today that mediation has happened this last week, and there's another mediation session scheduled for Monday, October 11th. After that, apparently there's going to be a pre-trial date set for October 17th to discuss what will happen next in the case. The judge did file a protective order for the mediation sessions so that no one is allowed in the sessions but the parties involved and their attorneys. The pre-trial on October 17th is going to be in person, so the judge said he's going to arrange transportation for Ruby Franke to be there. He also said that it will be public unless he grants the motion to make everything a closed trial.